There's like pieces of a hot dog in it or something, but
it's my fave.
I have a new friend watching me eat. Well, we had one friend below, but now we have two. Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna start with some coffee. Bought some instant coffee from the store, some paper cups, just to try to save some money so we're not spending money out on coffee every day. It's not very expensive, but in the long run we'll save a little bit of money. So we're gonna boil some water in this pot, then we're gonna make this instant coffee and hope it tastes good. Here's this instant coffee I made. Not the best, but something to get the day started. After this, we're going to have some breakfast soon, so I will check in with you when we're going to get breakfast. It is now 11:15, and we're headed to find some brunch for the first meal of today before we have to go back to the Airbnb and I have to teach a little bit. So we're gonna get a meal right now. Tight squeeze. So here is our breakfast. We have menemen, which is like a scrambled egg with vegetables and cheese, some olives and oil to dip with some bread, egg bread, so it's like, I guess, French toast style, some coffee, little cookies. Here's the menemen. There's like pieces of a hot dog in it or something, but it's very saucy, like tomatoey, but with some spice. Kind of oily too. It's really good. How is it?
It's my fave.
Alright, I'm gonna try this egg bread. It's like a French style bread with the egg topped inside of it. It's actually pretty good. A little chewy though. Put some of the menemen on top of it. It's quite delicious actually. I have a new friend watching me eat. Well, we had one friend below, but now we have two. There's two of them. An orange one and a tiger striped one, I guess. So it's common here to feed the cats your leftovers or anything extra you have that you may not want. And now they're eating some hot dogs. Or at least we think they're hot dogs. Alright, well, that meal was good. So that restaurant was called Zade Restaurant. It was just on a side alley off of Istanbul, Odyssey. And for all that, what we got, which was 2 mixed menemen plates with a bunch of bread, some oil and olives, some egg bread, and a little pastry with 2 coffees. The total came to 81 lira, which was about $9.90, $10 roughly for 2 people. Very affordable, very good. I would definitely recommend you going to check that out. But for now, we're gonna head back to the Airbnb as I have to do some work for a little bit, and then we'll check back in after work is over. All right, now it's, what time is it? 7:20. I just finished work, edited part of a vlog, and now we are walking towards the river to try to catch the sunset before it goes down. And then we're gonna find some dinner and just kind of hang out by the river for the night, I guess. Not really any plans, as most of the day was working and getting some things done. Alright, we just made it to the river here. The scene is just stunning. Look at this. Alright, let's see how many mosques we can point out from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10. And they just keep going. So we are standing on the Galata Bridge right now. It's where everyone goes fishing. And right over here, you can see the Galata Tower. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I always think I'm pronouncing it wrong, which I probably am. And then right here is the Turkish Bridge, which is named after the first president who founded the Republic of Turkey. And then there's a big giant mosque right behind me at the end of the bridge. That is the new mosque. It's one of the newest mosques built, and it's pretty big. Well, that is it for the bridge and the view of the Golden Horn right now. But we're gonna go find something to eat. We're gonna let these men fish their way for some sardines. I think that's what they're catching. And then, I don't know what else is gonna happen tonight because it's already about 8 o'clock now. So let's try to find some food first. Unfortunately, the place that we just tried to go to was either closing or not allowing dine-in, so we didn't want to do takeout and sit in the alley because it was kind of dark there, and we didn't really feel like walking with it as it was a hilly area, the food would get cold, so now we're in search for something different, hoping we can find something on our way back towards the Airbnb. So we just got 2 double Durhams from Durham Zade. I guess it's well known because Anthony Bourdain went there, supposedly. So hopefully the food's really good. Now we're gonna get something else in addition to that. We also just picked up some sweets or pastries from this place behind us. Some baklava and a few other popular Turkish sweets that we're gonna try. Alright, here's this durum, double durum they say. There's 2 things of meat in this. I got a Dana, which is some sort of beef, I believe. It's spicy. Alright, let's try this out. To Anthony Bourdain. Pretty good. It's got really good flavor. That piece was a little burnt, but I'm trying to get to a part that's not burnt.
I have to say the parsley here is so good. I've always thought parsley was just bland and flavorless, but here it's so good.
Yeah, this is pretty good. It's definitely double because it's super thick. It's not as loose as the other ones we've had. There's a lot of flavor in it, and this one's actually pretty spicy.
Mine's really good.
They also give you these chilies to eat with it. Oh my god. That's spicy. They top it with a tomato on top too, as you can see. So good. A little messy though because it's got some burnt particles from the grill. How is it?
Really good. I got the lamb.
It's so good I don't want to finish it. I just want to savor it forever. Those durums were so good, and so was that bag of chips because I almost ate the whole bag. But I caught myself because we do have some dessert that we want to have later. But for now we're pretty stuffed, so we're gonna chill out, just relax. Maybe I'll edit a vlog, watch some videos. But for today, I think that's gonna end it until tomorrow, where we'll pick back up and start something new. Now tomorrow we have the whole day available, so we're gonna explore, no work. So it should be a pretty fun day as long as the weather stays good. But you never know when you are over here near the Black Sea in the Sea of Mara Mara. But I will catch you tomorrow. How do you know there's parsley on it? How do you know there's parsley on it?
Because some of it came off on the wrapper and I ate it.
Apparently, people eat these with them, I guess. And we had one the other night, and they're spicy. Let's try it out.
I can't believe we just ate the whole thing. I can't believe we just ate the whole thing.
Wow. Oh my god. Right in the back of the throat. I'm gonna have some severe heartburn tonight.
I got the lamb.
Wait, I got the lamb. I got the lamb. I do. Wow.
Jerk.
So I also bought these chips here. I don't know what they are. Cereza. But they remind me of Chex Mix or whatever they're called. The chips that are like Chex Mix in the States. They're so good. I've literally eaten like 75% of the bag already off camera. Because I ate 2 of these freaking chilies and my mouth is dying and my lips are still stinging. So if these Turkish people eat these all the time, I don't know how they do it. I would just burn up.